Today we're going to be reviewing a 3-pack of lawnmower blades. This was in the pack. The pack of the blades. We got 3. Very well made. They're super thick. It's 2-in-1 blade. These are for 34-inch to 50-inch lawnmowers. These are 17 by 17 5/16s by 2 3/8 width. Has a 6-point star in the center for easy installation, and they're 0.571 thickness. You see it right there. These are made out of high quality steel. They're corrosion and rust resistant. They're very durable. These are compatible with Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, and Craftsman. Check on the link, the specification, and you can see all the models that they have. You can install them on. You see, you have 2 edges. It has one edge that is duller than the other one. This is to cut like the fine grass, and this is for thicker areas. You can use this side, and then for nice cuts for the grass and all that, it uses this cut. So it's a very durable, well-made blade. They'll replace your original one, and this is better built, easy installation, durable, corrosion and rust resistant. So I'll definitely recommend it for the price. You get a 3-pack for that pricing. So if you're looking for a replacement for the models in the listing, just go ahead and get some. I recommend it. Thank you.